Welcome to the in front of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's just first select one from the applications. So after that, just hold this up and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications. Just hold it and drag it here. Now we can see here the name of the folder. If you wanna just rename this folder, just click here on the name, just remove the current name, and after that just enter, for example, the apps here. Now we can see that this folder has changed successfully, the name of this folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, we can move the folder between the screens just by the same way. Hold it and drag it, and we can create the new screens with our folder just by the same way. If you want to remove the app from here, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove this application from the folder and from your device home screen, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.